G'day, V-Dubs here, and how you doing? Welcome to the channel, and in today's video we're continuing to move from the front to the back of the Baja. So the next item is going to be to work on the indicators. So moving on from the front, we're going to move to the indicators. So let's install the indicators. So I've taken the indicators apart, and this is the only piece we're going to reuse. We're going to change the lens, and we're going to paint the cover with bed liner. You can see this area here that's a bit rough. I just need to sand that down, and I thought I'd just paint that with primer and then just some mirror paint or something. Might help the flashing of the bulb. So let me get set up and we'll do that. Okay, so this is 400. So it's a bit used, but that side seems quite good. All right. Okay, once again, wet grease remover, and just clean this so the paint can stick. See the dirt coming off. Right, so we'll tape up the mirror piece and spray this. Alright, so we just need to tape these up. Okay, and we'll do the same to the other one, and we'll go from there. Okay, we're going to use edge primer, and I've just put a little bit of rototol in there, just so that I'm not spraying the contacts. So it's all shook up. There we go, that's all we need to do. And same with the other one. So I found a bit of chrome. It feels very empty there. Let's see what we've got. So, okay.
That, my friend, looks like nothing. Looks like some clear coat.
So previously we painted the indicator. So if I just remove the tape, and a piece of paper towel, that's what we end up with. But I'm just going to put a wire brush onto these threads just to clean them up, and then we'll install this section. There we go, all nice and clean. So these are 8mm nuts that fit on there. This is the indicator wire, and that's the ground. So the ground is brown. The shorter wire is the indicator wire. And that fits through the holes into the fender like that. $8mm socket, tighten it up. So fitting the LED bulb is made up of a whole lot of little LEDs, which are amber or orange. I think you get the other ones which just have the big square LEDs as well. And that just fits in Now that the bulb's installed, there's the clear lens that goes on top. And then we just need to install the cover. So again, we're spraying with the bed liner. So let me just shoot these quickly. So here's the cover after it's been sprayed with bed liner. Stock screw. And there you are. Indicators installed. So the indicators are on. And all looking quite good. So we're getting there. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to those that have subscribed, and take care. God bless. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave me any comments.